Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to check today's calories on the MyFitnessPal app. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the dashboard. So you can access the dashboard by pressing on the dashboard icon on the bottom left. And then in the Today tab, select Calories, so press on this right here. And it's going to take you to the Calories tab, and here you can track everything. So here as you can see, I haven't really filled up anything, but it can show you the total calories you've logged, net calories, and the goal. So the goal is 2,830 each day. And this is basically this little pie chart right here. It's going to show you how much you've consumed, how many calories, like what part, where have you consumed the most, and stuff like that. You can also check different days by selecting day view, week view, change day, or just selecting separate days. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.